Hey guys, this is how to use a chainsaw. So don't do this by yourself. Make sure your parents are supervising you, unless you know how to use one. But they're quite dangerous, and a lot of people get killed. I don't even know that I just read that, but I'm guessing they do. So first off, you want to make sure the brake's forward. So then, if you rev it, it doesn't actually go, because the teeth can get caught and it can go flying back in your face, which wouldn't be good. So to start it up, you're just going to pull this as hard as you can and put all your body weight on the thing, like this. Give it a couple of revs. How are you getting into the position? You even want to have it on. So make sure the brake's on. Start it. Make sure the tip doesn't get caught in anything. The tip goes here. It goes flying back into your face. So make sure the tip comes away. And turn it off. And that's how you use a chainsaw.